Presenting a brand new 2022 Winnebago Micro Mini 2108DS. New 2022 Winnebago Micro Mini 2108DS. The compact camper without compromise, Micro Mini is big on features and ready for wayfaring. At 7 feet wide and with multiple open floor plans to choose from, experience the camper life the way you want. Our 2108DS is finished in brilliant silver with the crosshatch interior trim. This coach is optioned with heated holding tank pads, 190W solar panel, power stabilizer jacks, Dream dinette in the slide, Goodyear tires, and 8 CU/food gas and electric refrigerator. MSRP on this coach is $48,017. UVW is 4,254 pounds, while the GVW is 5,500 pounds. See all photos of this and other fine RVs and vehicles at www.gurdonautosols.com, or call John Gurdon to discuss transaction details. Tax, title, and $125 documentation fee are extra.